What's up guys, Coach BJ coming at you with another video, and today we are doing another fitness tutorial, and today's move is the box squats. This is going to be a fun one. You're going to love it. Look at this move right now.
This move is called the square squats. With this, you want to jump to the front, to the sides, and stay low. You're gonna feel this massive burn in your legs. This is a great hit move for you.
Now the purpose of doing the box squats is to keep the calories burning. You're keeping your legs on fire, and trust me guys, you are torching a massive amount of calories. When you're staying low like this, and you have to keep squatting like this, you're keeping the time under tension of those quads. And it's cardiovascular because it's cardio in a way at the same time. It's cardio and it's squats at the same time. You're burning calories. As you can see, I'm even out of breath from doing the move, but it's a massive calorie burn. It's gonna torch calories for you in a massive way. So for those of you who are looking to burn fat and get rid of those calories, the box squat jumps are a good move to do. Thanks again for watching another coach training tutorial or fitness tutorial with Coach BJ. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're already doing a workout regimen, if you've never seen this move before, feel free to implement it into your training regimen. You're really gonna enjoy it and what it does for you. If you don't have a training regimen, feel free to message me, contact me for online coaching and one-on-one training as well. You can direct message me right here on this platform, or you can send me an email to kingscorpio1110@yahoo.com, and we can go ahead and talk about what your goals are, whether that's to bulk, to shred, to lose weight, whether that's to build up energy and endurance, etc. Whatever it is, we can form a plan to fit your needs, no matter what it is. So let me know if you need some help with that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next fitness tutorial. You guys all have an amazing day. God bless you. Peace out.